afternoon from the beautiful Black Hills of South Dakota. Hi, I'm Faye Swinson, independent sales rep and national recruiter for Avon, and today we're going to talk about Lip Mania. In this brochure, we have our newest lip. It's called Crave. There's 12 different shades, and mix and match them with all of our other lipsticks. We have, as you can see, all kinds of different lipsticks, so every kind is probably in your mantra. And we also have, oops, that's not it. I made different flyers. We have different lip liners to go with your lipsticks, and that's in the catalog. So it's kind of cool to help you match that. Those are in there, but 5 for $20. And these are really cool in that they have a little slant on there, so it makes it easy to apply. And I always go to the apple. Go on one side, the apple. No, the other. Makes it shiny. Isn't that nice? But yeah, all kinds of fun colors and fun names for them too. And everybody remember I said I've been giving extra samples this time. At the beginning of the year to share with you some of the wonderful things. Well, everybody that ordered in campaign 4 that I'm delivering to is getting a sample of our new Aspira hydration product. I am loving this stuff, and I also made a little flyer that tells all about it, what the nutrients are and everything that's in it. It's full of electrolytes and vitamins and minerals. So great to see it. It also shows you if you replace it instead of like a soda or a drink, another kind of drink, what the difference is. So I thought that was kind of fun. So that's in everybody's orders that are ordering. Notice this cool big size. This is shower gel, a liter size of shower gel in a pump for $10.99. We have it in all the different Skin So Soft smells. I just thought that was a great idea, having it in your shower. And another big bonus size, we always have a wow kind of product system. We have like 3 different wows. This is one of them. And it's the 25 ounce of the Skin So Soft bath oils. You can pick which of the 3 that you want for $12.99. And who doesn't love to take a nice bubble bath? Our bubbles are the best. We have so many different flavors in that. And this one is the lavender one, and they are $5.99. And I use bubbles for all kinds of things other than bubbles. So if you would like to get that list of things that different customers and myself have used them for, let me know. As well as the Skin So Soft. I have a list of things that you can use Skin So Soft bath oil for other than bath oil. And it's just great, all kinds of stuff. But look at all these fun lipsticks. These are some of the different lipsticks that you can pick and mix and match with. There are regular ones and the nourishing ones, and these are lip crayons that you can just scroll up. Use it as a lip liner too. One of my very favorites is the Beyond Color line, and it also comes with lip conditioner. I wear it under every kind of lipstick I have. And now we have these, and we also have the other kinds of lip tubes. Oh, talking about other things. In the Aspira line is our AM and PM Durtex. I have been taking these for quite a while, and I have to tell you, I have not had such nice nails and strong nails as I have since I started taking these. Great source of biotin that I will myself say, I am so glad I switched to this line, because my nails, yeah, and my hair has been looking pretty decent too. Skincare, if you know me, I love skincare and I always have to tell you about skincare products. One that I kind of switch back and forth to some of our eye products. This is the one I'm using right now, the Ultimate Eye. And this one's kind of cool in that it has a cream in the inside, which you can use on the upper lid as well as underneath. And remember to pat with your pinky or ring finger when you're doing eye stuff. But it also, in the lid, has an elixir. And that one I use like around my crow's feet and on the upper eye, because I'm determined to stay as young as long as I can. And this is one of our newer products. It's in the hydration line. It has an SPF of 50. But I am loving it. It's just really lightweight and it just goes on so nice and silky. I've been trying this one out and I do really like this one. And they're on introductory. And if you haven't tried the Naked Proof line, we have all kinds of fun things in that one. I'm using this one for my cellulite, but about almost 2 weeks ago, I fell on some black ice. Landed on my tailbone, and boy, does that ever hurt. But this is a cooling gel, so I use it a little bit further on my buttocks than most people probably, but it helps that cooliness does. And we always have different products for the Breast Cancer Crusade. And this one, I think, is just really pretty. These are pink CZs right through here. And then this is the little ribbon, but it has a CZ right in there. And they're on sale for $6. And part of the money does go to that cause. I think this is really cool. We have came out with all kinds of fun new candle smells. This one is called Clarity. And who doesn't need clarity this time of the year when they're working on their taxes and all that kind of fun stuff? But it's our 3-wick candles. And when you burn the 3 wicks all at the same time, they burn down to nothing. But we have them for energy and relaxing and peace. And I think there's like 8 or 9 different flavors in there. And then I have to make sure you notice this. Our bras. Have you ever tried our bras? We have bras for so many different sizes. And this time they're on sale, 2 for $50. That's a really good price on bras. Get those girls covered up. And remember, you can always back order, or on the back cover, I should say, we have the A boxes. And this one is valued at $51. And if you have a $40 purchase, you get it for $10. And I don't know if you watched the video I shared about shoes and shoelaces, but these are in our catalog. These shoes are, and I thought these would make a great one to try. I have to find a bunch of those fun shoelaces so that I can try those different ways to tie them. But these are $19.99. So some great ways to wear them. And what's kind of nice is they have a good grippy on the bottom, and they have the cushion lock inside. So yes, great way for that. And Valentine's Day is still coming up. So remember, you can get it from my e-store. If you have a $50 purchase in February from my e-store, you get free shipping and you get the Love at First Lash mascara for free. It'll automatically come in your order. So do check out my e-store. And I'm trying to really build up my e-store business. So if you would be so kind as to share that with people, and if you're represented, you can share hers with friends and family too. Remember, we can back order 2 brochures, so campaigns 3 and 4 are still good. And we always have sales flyers. And on the e-stores, all the sales flyers are shown as well. And you can just click right through them and look at them just like as if you were looking through the catalog. And in everybody's catalog that I'm getting out for the next ones in campaign 6, is when I'm delivering your 4, I'm giving you your campaign 6, and I'll be mailing you those. But I put a card because I'm wanting to update my customers' database. But I made it into a skirt size so that I can keep it, and I can keep track of your birthdays. So I would love that as well. So Face wants an independent sales rep and national recruiter for Avon. Thanks for watching Campaign 5. Thanks much. Have a great day.